let's grab the cable and pull it down right here. So check it out, you can see it just locks right in place. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the CopperPeak Retractable Extension Cord Reel. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the nice retail box and packaging right here walking us through some of the key tech specs. So again, this is a 30-foot retractable extension cord reel featuring 16 gauge wire. It's heavy duty. We got a red and black color scheme, and they even have the rating on the side for you. So we're showing 10 amp, 125 volts, 1250 watts. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see our operating and safety instructions with our mounting information. Next, you can see we have a thank you card with their logo and branding and website. Next, we have our mounting kit. So we have our pin and we have our screws. And lastly, we have the reel itself. Check it out. We got our red and black design right here. Nice color scheme. Here's our 3 outlets we can plug into. That'll hang down. We can pull down from our ceiling, wherever we mount it from. Indicator light looks like right there. On the other side, I believe we got a fuse in here, and you can see the plug end. And then you can look at the construction of the reel itself. So check that out. It's cool to the touch. This should be some sort of metal enclosure. And obviously our metal bracket. You can see it from the other side, same thing. And then I believe we have just a red plastic along the sides. Could be wrong. I think we got red plastic on the sides, and then our black pieces are all metal with our bracket. Now let's go ahead, let's get this installed. All right, so you can see we have everything installed right here on the ceiling of our garage. It was very simple to get this installed. Since our ceiling isn't painted, I know exactly where the stud is. So we just literally had to zap the 2 screws in, put the pin in, and that was it. It took less than 5 minutes. We plugged it in and everything is also working great. Let's look at it in more detail. All right, so you can see up close we have our red light illuminated right now. In the video, it might look like it's blinking and pulsing, but that is not true to what your eye will see. It's solid red the whole time. So that's just an illusion thanks to our video camera. So yeah, that's great. Then let's go up here. You can see we'll look at how we mounted it, but it's just those 2 screws, right? Just zapped right up into our stud, and then we have the pin right here, so you just press it through the holes, and then we have it fastened on that end with our little ring. I've already adjusted the ball where I want it, so when we pull the cable down, it's going to be exactly where it needs to be. It's hanging the correct distance off the ceiling. And then we have our wall outlet up here, so it's plugged right in, and everything is working great. Now let's go ahead, let's grab the cable and pull it down right here. So check it out, you can see it just locks right in place. So really happy with that, really cool. Again, with 30 feet, we can cover this whole garage as needed, especially from where we mounted it, which is the center of the garage. And when we're done, we can always wind it back up. So we're gonna pull it down again, and just very gently, you can see we're able to release it. And there we go. It's going to stop right where we have the ball set. So overall, count me impressed. Everything's working great. Right now, I really don't have any faults with the unit. I'm very pleased with it overall. I think the biggest thing long-term, we'll see how does the mechanism hold up over the course of years. But I have no indication to believe that it's going to have any issues. So for the price, it's definitely a good deal and a very practical tool to have depending on the situation in maybe your garage or shop or basement or whatever you want to do with a retractable extension cord reel like this. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.